My name is Grace Teng. I have a creative studio called Animal Teng Studios, and this is my space in the Brooklyn Aviary. When I think about how I got started as an artist, I feel like I took a pretty normal route in that I've always been creative, I've always been drawing, I studied art. There wasn't ever really a point where I felt like I had to change what I was doing or pivot, and I became an artist. I did kind of more traditional art, painting, sculpture, gallery type work. I also went into product design. Then I was doing jewelry design, and then it's like when all of these things kind of came together and I started seeing artwork as an extension of the space that they're in, did I really start to do what I'm doing now and kind of treating artwork as site-specific, really custom, and more of a collaborative process. When I was thinking about this project, I was thinking about hotel lobbies in a space. And what does that mean to me? And I think of hotel lobbies kind of as a place, a moment where you're kind of resetting yourself. Maybe it's the start of a vacation, maybe it's just the start of a business trip, but either way, it's this moment to kind of, moment of transition, moment of to recenter yourself. And so I thought it might be a good opportunity to create something kind of calming and relaxing. First of all, there's logistical challenges of just building a piece so large within my space. But then there's also the challenge of something that is potentially can look unwieldy or heavy. We worked hard to hide the hardware, basically. We wanted it to feel weightless and light. And all of the hardware is hidden in the joints and that you can't see any of it. Instead of it all being like plates on the outside of these pieces of wood, it's all just hidden inside. Because I wanted to have an open feeling. I wanted people to kind of come through and have this moment of unwinding or relaxation. Oftentimes, I'm really attracted to a material. So sometimes with a project, we'll look at the space and I'll think about just what material do I need to see in the space right now? What would bring something to it? And from there, it's all just playing off of something. If the space is just really hard architectural lines, I sometimes think, maybe it needs something soft, something with curves. Or if it's a really neutral palette, maybe we want to bring in some really fun color, or maybe I want to dig into that monochromatic palette. So I feel like a lot of the work starts with the materials, and then I just kind of go off instinct.